Hi guys, just doing great, just a good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. I don't know if you're watching this video, so I can't say. I'm just like waiting you. So I hope you're good. Hope your day is going well. Hope everything's okay. Yeah. So in today's video, I'll be talking about how to access ChatGPT Pro, the business method. That's the for those of you that have like multiple Gmails that you can use, or maybe you have the company mail like for your company and everything, how to access ChatGPT Plus. You get. So as you guys can see on my screen, I have my normal personal ChatGPT, which is this one, and I have the business one, that's company I did for, which is I am Steak, and as you can see, this I am MPL. Both of them are pro, but today I'm talking about how to access this pro. Yeah, I'll be doing other videos on how to access pro method for this personal one, but for this one, that I'm doing today. Now, first and first is, before continuing the video, before start the video, you need to first join my channel because they are dropping many of the updates. So once you come on my profile here, this link that is there, once you click on it, it takes you direct to my WhatsApp channel. All you need to do is click on view WhatsApp and it's open. Then you can join the channel from there. Also, do not forget to follow my Facebook page, my Twitter, and everything. Just follow all our accounts because I'll be dropping many videos there. Back to today's video. So first thing, you need a VPN. So I'll advise you get a VPN. Once you get a VPN, all you need to connect is South Korea. So as you can see, I do have a VPN on my system. So if you don't have this VPN, get the VPN on your system or on your phone and connect to Korea, South Korea. So as best as you can see, yes, I'm connected to Korea, as you can see. The another thing I need to do is I need to go to ChatGPT. As you can see, ChatGPT.com. What am I doing on ChatGPT.com? I'll still making other videos on how to access ChatGPT Pro, other different videos on how to access it, but I want to try to pay more attention on this one. Now, what do I do when I'm on ChatGPT? I actually do it. I'll sign up. So I wait for it to load. Then I either use a temp email, and when you're using a temp email, please make sure that it's a temp email that can last for more than a month. Hello, make sure whatever temp email you're using can last you up to a month or more than a month. If you don't have a temp email that can last you for up to a month, I'm sure many of you know what's a temp email. If you don't have a temp email that can last up to a month, reach out to me or my team. They would direct you how to get a temp email for that. Yeah, so I'll be using this temp email. This temp email I'll be using. I'll click on continue. I'm actually signing up, and yeah, so prepare your password. Once you prepare your password, click on continue. And when you click on continue, an OTP will be sent to you. So make sure you're using an email that you can get an OTP from. So okay, so I got my code. 072 So you can put a random name here, you can put a random date of birth. 1, 11, 26, 7, 2, the random mail dates. Just try, you know how to do it now when you're trying to sign up. If I use a normal mail, I use a temp mail, just try and use a mail that you can access. Now, what I want you guys to pay attention to is this very place. Now, once you are here, when it's this, don't come to ChatGPT, blah blah blah. You can skip all of this and you can answer this. Skip, you can skip, you can answer, you can pick any one of the choice. Let it take. Skip. Let's say. So now once you're here, now there are two ways to go about this thing. Now you see space labeled free offer. Click on claim offer or click on it. And as you can see here, try business for 1 month free. If you go to personal, it's actually plus. So you try plus for 1 month free. And if you go to business, you try business for 1 month free. What I need to do now is click on claim offer. Now when you are here, they give you space to add 5 people to your team. And what you need to do is enter your card details. I didn't explain everything in the documents. Just comment ChatGPT and you see the documents there. Yeah, and I didn't explain how to get card, but I won't be saying it in this video for security purpose, please. So I'll have to pause the video now. So I want you guys to now connect your card. I didn't thought how to get card also. So I'm connecting my card. So name, you can put your name, you can put a random name. I'll put in the name I use, okay, and yeah. So okay, then for these details I actually was there in what's it called, in the documents. So this place, for this place I'm picking the Algerian. Something. Just follow my footstep. No need to get confused. So just follow my footstep. See here, what the next thing they have to do? City. Okay, city for city. So I will just copy this choice. I've been and everything. Address. This is the address here. Postal code. Don't need the address. Postal code. Put it. Next thing you're done. Then click on subscribe. Wait for it to load.